Well, seemed to got away light with the wind. It got up above 90 miles an hour last night in this area. One of the pond covers broke away. Snapped its lock off that holds it in place. One of the tops of the filter there came off. The electric cabinet door blew off. My spare bin with all the pipes in blew away from down the side of the building there. One of my spare sheets of PVC there snapped in half. Fence is still standing. Cameras are still up and working. Bird nests are still up. So got away with things very lightly.